Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Tank Masters YouTube channel. So, get yourself a cocktail, jump in your most comfortable chair, enjoy the show. Okay? I guess we can all see who makes this company go. Okay.
You gonna pull that tank?
I'm clean. You gotta get clean first. You're familiar with the procedure?
I thought you were gonna bring it over there.
Come on now.
No.
You don't want to bring it over there?
No, not right now. I don't like to break New York State policy. Put the harness. Oh. No, you need the mask. Why? Because I'm gonna hear it.
From your mom.
You don't have the mask on. I'm not letting my crew leave. What's going on? Remember the one with the preview? It should have been Sammy. It'll happen, Corey. It'll be those magical moments that you'll remember me. Oh, the guy said that.
And then you meet like a 7-year-old who's just like,
Dad.
What, Sam?
He's reaching for the pad you're stepping on.
like always, you're in the way.
Everybody seems to be real critical of me.
I didn't say anything.
Just picture where you'd all be without me. Where would you be?
In a cubicle somewhere.
Where would you be? You'd be driving a truck.
Making tons of money.
You'd be delivering pizza. Mikey would be
Playing Xbox.
He'd be upstairs playing Xbox.
I make that a living.
Any content? Anybody got anything interesting? I used to like coming here working, but now I spend my life doing YouTubes. But now my life is boring because I don't drink. All right. Mike, can you walk us through the process?
No.
Okay, Monday we were in Westchester County. Yesterday we were in Dutchess County. Today we're in Putnam County. We're so backed up. I rarely do site inspections. I did a site inspection here with Craig, and I remember leaving saying, "Oh man, I don't even want this job." Then we'll pull the box trailer in with the tank, and then we'll sit here with Red and we'll leave. So I got to run that through in my mind because, man, I hate when they tell me I'm in the way. In the way? They're nothing without me. All right, so it looks like they got things in hand. It's probably 107 degrees down there too, by the way. It's like a hot box. So I'd rather be out here in the 98-degree humidity because I very rarely sweat. For some reason, I like bridges. Bigger bridges, but I don't know what that's about. You know what that's about? I love bridges, like train trestle bridges that connects one mountain to the other. I just think it's cool. It's even cooler that they start building at each end and they meet in the middle. Kind of sounds like me and my wife's relationship. But here's what blows me away. I drive into my shop where I thought that my guys were like, "Where's Dad? Where's Dad? Did he flip over in the truck? Is he okay?" It's a 12-minute drive here. Everybody's gone. Everybody's gone. You guys aren't worried about me? I figured they would have called Nance. Nance would have said, "Oh no, I have his cell phone," because my phone would have been ringing because she's gonna call me and it's in the house. Then I figured she would have ran the phone down here. She'd be down here waiting. People got me dead already. I think she's probably made a phone call into my insurance carrier to see if the life insurance policy is up to date. Craig's already making decisions as the new owner. So today's the first day of school, so Nancy went to put all the grandkids on the, watch them get on the bus. What'd they say? Nancy called and said the truck fell out?
Or 2 tires fell off her car.
The 2 wheels fell off her Ford Expedition, so. You can't make this stuff up, man. You guys are freaking out at home. I know you are. I hope everyone is hanging out with someone you can tolerate, and if it's not sunny where you are, let's make a little sunshine today. Right, Craig? All right, we got Corey. You need some help? We got Corey getting harnessed up. That's a new style of doing it. Oh my God, here he comes. He's walking up the road. I'm so nervous. What size does he look? He's an XL. How's my hair? I look good?
You're sweating.
Got anything in my teeth?
You have a little under boob sweat.
Oh God, I always have the under boob sweat. I hope I don't let him down. Okay, gonna put that back.
Well, it in.
I'm not sure about its growth. Seriously, that's how you're gonna pick it up?
You touch it.
I will if you want. Corey's gonna do it on his own. There you go, Corey.
Attaboy, Corey.
I like leadership, man.
It was going the other way.
Of course he's gonna say that.
Oh.
Corey.
Who dug this hole?
Need a little more.
Dude.
Dug out.
Here, watch me.
I don't like snakes. Nice. Looking good.
Did John make it like a fat joke?
He did a couple.
Little, right?
Yeah, me and you were big boys or something like that.
back in the day.
When we were skinny.
Come on, Johnny.
We just met, man.
What's up, bro?
Look at this hole. Look. You know what this was like, Corey? Trying to put a lipstick on a pig.
That's what he said yesterday.
Look at
All
this.
right, get a shovel
Look at
and
this
start
guy.
putting it back.
Cut. What do you mean? Cut.
No. What, doesn't look good that side? Wait, what side? No, this side.
We need two scoops of dirt.
It looked good from where I was.
Two scoops of dirt.
You guys just stay there.
I'm the cameraman. I don't really think I did anything today.
Well, that's nothing unusual.
Yeah, right.
Oh, the shovel broke.
Exactly.
You ran it over.
Figured it was me, right?
You only got in the machine.
No, I think I working. Where's the rake? I'll get it. You guys sit there. At least keep filming.
I am.
Dude, seriously, that looks terrible. You guys can't see that looks terrible? Look. Seriously. That's how you're going to allow it to be put back up. Corey, come here. Why wouldn't anybody say, no, turn it.
We're not allowed to.
Turn it. That's not it.
Because then we're insubordinate. What is it called?
How about you go over there on that end? There you go. Turn it.
At least he's nice.
Wow.
I'm having fun. I'm having fun.
Hey. Tree's going. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Tank Masters YouTube channel. I'm gonna challenge Mikey here. Mike, come here. Wait, Craig, watch this. I'm gonna challenge you. $100 challenge that I may not pay on.
Just for Mikey?
What's that?
Yikes. It's a payphone.
What do you mean by a payphone?
It's a payphone.
What do you mean?
Somebody would put a quarter in it.
Yeah, where would those be though?
In a jail.
A jail. Today we are removing an oil tank and we're putting in an oil tank. Tomorrow we'll probably be doing the same. Next week, the same. That's why we're so damn good, because it's all we do. You just bring the light in, set it up. Where's an outlet? Craig, you didn't even say.
Just say, watch the whole thing.
Where's an outlet? Hey, was this rug here?
Yes.
All right, let's get it out of here and let's lay that paper out. He's got white carpet.
Yeah, we got it.
You know, the oil on white carpet.
It looks great.
Yeah,
yeah.
The getaway dust we have doesn't work. All right.
Carpet cleaner.
Family steamer.
Good. Going.
Curb again.
Fix it, Frank. I don't know about this one.
Hey, Corey, that'll all get edited. Shut up, Sam.
You know, Mike's breaking my chops over that. You know what he just said? Everybody was walking in. Mike goes, hey, we're probably going to have to pump first. Yeah, we're going to have to get the oil out first, Mike. Are you working right now? Did your employees make personal calls while at work? And then run from you. Imagine if I took everybody's phones away. How many jobs are you allowed to talk on your phone while you work? Look, this guy's running. This guy's running. Hey, in an hour we've got inspection. Corey, you're just walking around here like you got all day, Corey.
Osiris Country Club.
He's moving the truck.
No.
Oh.
Do you want the truck in now?
I don't know.
Well, then I have to park it.
I think we need to get in and out quick, so I wouldn't put it there now. All right, Mike, how about you? You doing anything today?
Yeah, I'm cleaning the tank.
Oh, what I would do that.
You want a piece?
No, dude, we door-dashed ice cream and cookies yesterday. That was unbelievable to me. Did you know you could do that? DoorDash ice cream and cookies? I'm in trouble.
People can now pass by.
What's going on with your shirt, Craig?
You wore it. One day, I had it for
Make
three.
like $250,000 a year.
I had it for 3 years. You wear it one day, it comes back to me like this.
You seriously blaming me for that?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean? This takes time.
No, it's not. It's you trying to get it
Oh,
off of your
stop.
skin type. You're wearing it like an Under Armour.
It's physical. It's a mental abuse, and Mike's throwing rocks at me the whole time.
All right, we have inspection.
Dude, is it me or does Craig look like he's 52-year-old lumberjack? If this isn't good content, I don't know what is. You talk about drama. Will the truck get out in the morning? Is the team able to pull the job off in Cold Spring? Yeah. As Craig walks around. The clock is ticking, Craig. We've got inspections in 3 minutes. Yes! Gotta let it go, Craigie. Hold on. What's going on? Wow.
I had hair gel in, so I washed it.
A little puffy there. Let's listen into the magic.
What was it, 500 or 300? It was 50 to 300.
It would have been like 50 to 700.
We're listening into the magic.
Guys, this morning I did something wild. I was just getting dressed, and I'm like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go sock shoe.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yes, I've never heard that.
That's
before.
crazy.
I feel completely out of whack right now.
You don't put your socks on when you take it out of your drawer.
Out of what door?
Your drawer.
Yeah. I've worn these socks for the last 6 months unwashed.
Yeah,
Stand up
me
on
too,
them.
me too. I sleep with mine on.
That's weird.
I can't sleep with socks.
Oh, that's weird.
Well, your bed is your comfort clean
Dude, when
space.
you're this fat, leaning over is tough.
You can't take your socks off of your big toe?
I don't want to though.
Oh,
Why?
man,
Why?
no,
No, I have those. I bought these socks. They're ridiculous. They're supposed to help the blood flow. They're so tight.
My socks, I can do this. Pop them off on the ground.
Yeah, that's annoying when they spin
See,
they're
when
on.
I'm laying in bed, don't take my socks off. Big toe on one side, roll it down, flick it off. The other one roll it down.
I had to learn how to do that in Helen Hayes when I
Good.
broke my neck. It is. That's what was one of their classes. How to take your socks off with your big toe.
How'd you do?
Great. They kicked me out in 3 days.
Wow.
For other reasons, maybe.
There was an assault there, but
No assault.
he had it coming.
It was verbal. He had it coming. Okay, folks, maybe you can help clear this up. This is an in-house fight that we've had for many years. So Michael always cleans the tanks. The bucket's in there. He's cleaning it. He hands the bucket out. They hand it off. It goes into the drum. For some reason, this young man feels he is privileged to just leave that last bucket in there for Sam. And in there is our argument. What do you think? Should he take the bucket out, or is that bucket for Sam?
But you gotta realize I'm tired.
So we're all tired, bro.
Not
yeah, but
sweating.
after this, you
Look at the forehead.
He gets
No
a 20
sweat.
minute
tired.
TikTok break.
I'm sweating.
yeah, you do a 20-minute TikTok break after every
You
cleaning.
didn't drive
You
this
do.
morning either, so.
You do.
You didn't drive in? Wow.
You didn't even drive. You slept on the way in today.
No, he was talking about how the Jets suck.
Ugh. So, I mean, what do you think? What do we all think?
I think
Oh,
he should take
Mike.
it out.
Yeah, he's got to take it out, man. Oh, you're going to get some hate mail.
I'm not taking
It's
it out.
4-1.
What do you mean you're not
I'm
taking
not
it
taking
out?
it out. It's
Are
staying.
you being insubordinate
I'm
now?
not taking it out.
Wow.
I'm not taking it
I'm
out.
not taking it out.
So, I think if we all just get back in our vehicles.
Because he can take it out, go close the drum. I still got work to do.
But why lift every other
So
bucket
if you
out?
have still work to do, why would you stop at
I
that?
got a pad right now.
But I'm not touching the bucket.
I'm
Yeah.
fucking tired.
I don't touch last buckets. It's in my it's in my contract.
That's last bucket.
My manager worked that out.
Last bucket.
Unreal.
So we're at a standstill
It's
right
the
now.
way it's been going on for a long time.
Not the
Yeah,
AST.
and-
This is not an
It's
AST.
an AST. It's an above ground tank.
Well, there's different rules with ASTs.
He
It's
thinks
only
he's
AST.
privileged that way, but
Only AST.
Why do you allow it? See, the first time that
I just
you,
want to keep going.
but the first time you did it, Sam, you made it a thing.
That?
The first time you picked that bucket up
The
for
above
him.
ground tank just counts.
Not above ground tank.
Wow.
Sam, don't do it. Thank you.
Sammy,
I'm gonna pat around it.
seriously?
I'm gonna pat around it.
One. That's a good job. Craigie, say goodbye to the folks.
See you guys. See you tomorrow.
Corey, say goodbye.
Hey, we'll see you on the next one.
All right. Mikey, say adios.
Peace.
Peace.